How to add order now button on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add the order now button on Instagram. So to do that, you just need to open your Instagram application. For that, make sure your Instagram app is a business account, and then you must be eligible for shop to add this option on your Instagram. If you are not eligible for shop, then this option on your Instagram cannot be available. And if you're eligible for shop, then you can do this by simply going on the edit profile option. After going on the edit profile option, when you scroll down and down, you will see the option of add action button. When you tap on add action button, you can simply see many other actions button right there. Now tap on the order option, and when you add the order, tap on the add order option and tap on make it visible on screen. Then when you refresh your Instagram account, then you will see that there is the order account button on your Instagram app now. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.